Okay, now we're going to cut some other pieces for our overflow box. Okay, something like that. So pretty simple. Like I said, just need safety glasses and a saw and some patience to go slow. Okay. Okay, as you see here, I've got my piece cut out. No problem. Just so you know too, I've got actually a saw blade in here just for cutting 2x4s or whatever. It will cut just a little easier, a little smoother if you use one for like plywood with smaller teeth, but this not bad. Okay, there again, like I said, need to go ahead and all of our pieces, we need to file them down so that you got a nice smooth edge to when we get ready to glue our box together. So this is the other pieces. Like I said, just want to file it down with a rough file. A coarse file is the best thing to use because it'll work faster. Bottom line. Just filing it down so it's nice and smooth. And roughed up, because when that glue adheres to that roughness, it'll definitely make a better seal. And not only that, we want it to be nice and flat and square. Okay. Okay. One other thing we're going to do here is I'm going to take my file. I've smoothed all my edges out. We're going to take our file and I'm going to run my file on the top edge here to kind of smooth that out just a little bit, so it's a nice, when the water comes in, it's going to flow through because it's a nice smooth edge. Also want to make sure you get all this excess plastic. Well, we're putting the final touches on our sump pump box that's going to be mounted into our 125-gallon tank. I've just finished putting the final silicone seal around the whole inside and outside of my box that I've got built. And of course you see we have our holes that we'll be drilling as soon as we let this set up for 24 hours. Okay, and just so you know too that when I was initially putting this together, I didn't show it in the video before, but I actually used some quick dry Loctite sealant that's it dries in about 5 minutes, so it gets tacky real quick. And that's how I put the box together initially, just so that it would hold itself together, because it's kind of difficult. You have to set up all kinds of jigs and everything else, but I didn't do that. I just got me a little help from my son, and we used this to begin with to hold all the panels together. Like I said, it's just some fast drying silicone. You can get that in any local hardware store. And then after I let that set up a little bit where it would stay together, I went ahead and I've got some aquarium safe silicone, just 100% silicone clear. And that's what I finished up doing now. Like I said, I put the silicone on the inside and the outside because we definitely want to have this sealed up pretty good, so we're not leaking our sump drain action back into the tank. We want it all to go down to the bottom in our sump pump underneath the tank. So that's about the size of that. Turned out not too bad, I don't think, for my first one that we've built. And it's pretty good. Alright, so we'll let this set up for 24 hours and then we'll be ready to mount it in the aquarium.